Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain TradingView mobile app review to see with what you're using. So to get started, a quick in-depth review about TradingView. So to get started, TradingView is a powerful charting and trading app built for both beginners and experienced traders. It offers real-time data, advanced chart tools, technical indicators, and the ability to trade directly through the supported brokers. The app mirrors many of the desktop features and make it easy to view your watch list, set up alerts, and analyze market from your phone. But it's not perfect. Some users find the mobile app version a bit cramped compared to the desktop, and certain features like backtesting or deep scanning are limited on smaller screens. There have also been a complaint about bugs, delayed customer support, and billing issue with subscription. So while TradingView is a top choice for charting and market tracking, the best experience is still found on the full desktop version. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this trading platform. And don't forget to subscribe and follow for more. Thanks.